right time. I want to show you how you can earn $50 to $300 today if you follow the rest of this video. My name is Larry Williams, Mr. T in my generation. It's a pleasure to be in your face right now showing you this great information that can help you earn income from your family. And we all know you're not born to just pay bills and die, right? So let's get into it. As you see on Google, I put in how much does a 1,000-word blog cost, right? As you can see on the low end range for a 1,000-word blog post is $50, while an experienced writer may charge closely to $300 or more, right? But we're in 2024. You don't even have to be an experienced writer. You can use ChatGPT, and I have the perfect code for you right here. So as we go to ChatGPT, right? See where it says write a 1,000-word blog about a topic where you'll put the topic at. Make sure to focus on key points. So this can be key points of the blog that you really want people to pay attention to. And as well as somebody want a blog purchase from you, it's great for you to get the topic from them as well as key points. And then you'll be able to come here to create a blog for them, right? So let's say, for example purpose, let's say write a 1,000-word blog about starting your own business, right? I'm just gonna put, I ain't gonna need to put a whole bunch of key points. I'm just gonna say profits are better than wages, which they are. Okay, let me enter. As you see, it's already beginning to create your blog for you. The only thing you have to do is make sure you're providing value to the person that you're talking to. Like a lot of times we don't want to get paid for running our mouth about things that matter, but we'll run our mouth about things that don't matter and don't get no money behind it, which is crazy to me. Look at this, the freedom of entrepreneurship. This blog is already still going, right? Now, you still want to be able to read through this, proofread it, because ChatGPT can make mistakes. But all that thinking in your head is out the window. You don't have to think, especially if you have codes that you can just come to ChatGPT and just put in here, right? Like you seen that right there. What I put in here, that was a code. And on my website right here, as you can see, it said unlock the power of AI for your business. You get 46 commands with this ebook. Powerful ebook. That was just one that I just showed you. But it can show you how you can make $50 to $300 in one day. Let's continue to grow.